Let's try this again. You don't need to code. You don't need a fancy dev team. You just need this screen right here. Today, we're diving into Gemini Canvas, Google's new AI-powered workspace that lets you write, build, and create inside a live doc. It's free, it's fast, and it's going to change how you get stuff done. By the end of this video, you'll know how to draft landing pages in minutes, turn documents into content, create quizzes, podcasts, and more without lifting a dev finger. Let's go. So what is Gemini Canvas? It's Google's new interactive workspace powered by Gemini, their AI model. Think of it like Google Docs. If Google Docs could build websites, do live research, generate podcast scripts, and help you launch business ideas faster than ever. It lives inside the Gemini interface. Click on Canvas and boom, you're in. It'll start. Use case 1, write a sales page in minutes. Let's say you're launching a new product. You don't have time to brief a copywriter, wait 3 days, revise, yada yada. Watch this. Write a landing page for a digital course that teaches freelancers how to land clients. Tone, friendly, and high energy. I've selected the Canvas feature and here we are. As you can see, the Canvas opened up on the right and it's like a Google Doc. As you can see, it's brought some images. It's wrote that little landing page as we want it. On the bottom right here, we have change length. We can make it longer. In here, we can change the tone. We can go more casual, very casual, or we can go formal, very formal, and so on. And then we also have suggest edit. And here we are. It's added a suggestion. Let's see what that is. It's added here. Includes specific details about the testimonial, obviously, because it said add more testimonials. You can just apply that. You can show more. So this is how Canvas works. By clicking on this little button, you're making sure that you open like a kind of Google Doc. And then here you can change the style. You can ask Gemini to do different things, which I'll show in a second. You can export it to docs. You can copy it. Here you can use the bold, the italics, bulleted list, and numbered list. So you can format things like a real document. But what's really cool is, let's say that we wanted to change this. You can come in here, just select that section and say something like change this to something that is more inspiring. There we go. Let's change just that section. So as you've seen, we've written the whole landing page, but let me try something else. Okay, now convert this into code for an actual website landing page. As you can see, the whole thing has changed into code. We've got HTML structure, CSS style, responsive design, and oh, it's created the whole website. It's created some colors. It's not bad at all. It's got a CTA, and as you can see, we have the preview. Now we can go on the code, review the code, or we can just preview it. We can show the console like a developer. You don't have to worry about this for now, right? But you do have those features as well, which is great. But what I really love is that we have this working. As you can see, the button also works, and here we are. That's really cool. Thank you very much. Code, preview, refresh, close. That's really cool. If you close it, you can come in here, you can open the landing page that you've designed, and here we go. You can go in the code, you can change the code, you can fix the code yourself if you need to. If not, you can just preview the code. This is really cool. Use case 2. Let's turn a doc into a proposal. All right, maybe you have a strategy doc, a white paper, or just a brain dump in a Google Doc or in a PDF. Drag, drop, and let's prompt. Turn this into a one-page client proposal with an executive summary, objectives, and a call to action. Let's make sure to turn on Canvas, since this is why we're here. All right, here we are. We've gotten a document as we requested, and we can export it to docs. We can do all that stuff that we mentioned with these little features. But what we can also do again, turn this into a landing page. Here we go. We've asked it to turn that into a landing page. So instead of sending that as a doc, what we could do is we could send it as a whole website. This is really cool. Contact us works, AI first mindset works, objectives work. This is really cool. There's little boxes. This is really cool. Learn more. Yeah. There we go. So you're able to kind of code this very quickly as well. All right, use case 3. Let's build a quiz or a lead magnet. Now let's have some fun. Create a quiz titled, "Is your business ready for AI?" with 5 multiple choice questions, 3 result types, and friendly explanations. Let's not forget to click on Canvas and let's send that to Gemini. All right, this is cool. It's created the quiz. It's just the doc at the moment. It's just some text. But let's make this a mini tool. Turn this into a mini web app. Here we go. We're getting some code again. And as you can see, Gemini is very, very fast. That's one of the differentiators. And here we go. We got a little quiz. Wow, this is working really well. Bam. Let's see what happens. I'm just going through that. Calculate results. Bam. Our AI readiness score is 10. This is really cool. This is a ready-made lead magnet. You can copy the code, embed it on your site, and capture emails with zero dev help. Let's try another use case. Let's say that I have a document again. I'm going to bring that doc. I'm going to drop it in here. And I'm going to say, turn this into a friendly podcast style script to train myself in preparation of an actual podcast. Let's make sure again to turn on Canvas. And here we are. We're getting a podcast script. This is cool, but I want to try something else. We're here to experiment. Okay, now turn this into a web app with audio for me to actually practice. Let's see if we can do this. Here we go. Ooh, we're getting some React code. Things are getting a little bit more serious. We're creating a podcast practice web app. The preview is starting. Here we go. We've got something going on in here. Let's see if it plays. Okay, it's not playing. It doesn't play the audio. All right, it's revising the code. Here we go. It's told us what the issue was. Let's try this again. This is awesome. We got some intro music. I love it. All right, that's a full-on track. Well, that's really cool. I don't think it's going to go into the text, but yeah, I mean, that's really cool. Let's see it. Oh, again. Woo! I actually like the song. Well, thank you, Gemini. That was really cool. But you see where I'm going with this, right? So you can now tell it these errors and you can make it work in different ways. You could fix it, you know, by speaking to it and telling it, hey, I can just hear music. There's nothing else. All right. So here's a bonus. Since we're having a bit of fun, and let's say you want to get creative, check this out. You could sketch ideas, build little physics simulations, or even prototype mini games. Build a ping pong game. Let's make sure the canvas is on. And here we go. We're getting it to code a ping pong game. All right, let's see if this is going to work. Let's start the game. All right, cool. Oh yeah, okay, I can control some of it. So this side is me. That's cool. Okay, it's a little buggy, but it works. You can pause, reset. That's really cool. Well, it worked. No coding, just a prompt and a canvas. It's not just useful, it's fun. Gemini Canvas isn't just another AI gimmick. It's a legit workspace where you can build, create, write, and plan faster, smarter, and without waiting on anyone. Business owners, creators, marketeers, this is your playground. So what's the first thing you want to build with Gemini Canvas? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to hit like if this helped and subscribe for more real-world AI tools that actually move the needle. This was Tim Cakir, your AI operator, signing off.